Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm actually going to be doing a hair look. So to see how I got this sleek low side part bun, and if you have thick natural hair, this is perfect for you. But if you want to see how to get this look, keep watching. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off by spritzing my hair with some water. Then I'm going to go in with my wild growth oil, work that in my scalp, throughout my hair. Just keep my hair moisturized while it's in this style for the next week. Next, you're going to see me flip over my head, and then I'm going to work on getting my part. So I like to do a really deep side part. I like to do like a nice little crisp little swoop, you know. So I'm just trying to basically figure out this part and straighten it to my liking. So you'll see me kind of play with this for a little bit. Okay, and once I'm satisfied, I'm going to break my hair up into 3 pieces. A top piece, which is going to be your bang, and then 2 back pieces. So once you section off the hair, go in with your water again. Make sure it's really, really wet so you can really get it slicked down. And then I'm going to go in. Well, I'm going to work that through my hair. Then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I'm just using the Curls Blueberry Bliss. You can really use whatever you want to. This is not anything special. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my oil as well. So I'm just working this through my hair, So next is the Eco Styler. This is the most important part. The trick to this is holding your hair taut. Like you see me kind of tugging at my hair, and this allows for you to get the gel, really working it into the roots and getting it to lay down as flat as possible to your scalp. So I grab my brush and I'm just working that through, adding more gel in the back just to make sure, you know, it's slick back there as well. You don't want to have no dusty head in the back and it be slick in the front. Take my hair tie, and honestly, if you have a clip, it'll be better, because I didn't mean to put that in a ponytail. I just didn't have enough clips, y'all. So next you're going to work on the other section in the back. I broke that into 2 sections because this side was a little bit thicker. So go in again with your water, leave in, work that in your hair, and go in with the gel. And as you can see, I'm holding the hair taut. Like, hold it, you know, don't rip your edges out, but just hold it so that you can really, really work it in there and that it can get flat. So because I worked the gel in, I didn't even need to clip it back. And now you move on to the next section. Same thing. I don't know why I was making those faces. I promise you this does not hurt at all. That's just me being dramatic. But see, as you saw, I should have just clipped that part back. So I'm taking out this ponytail so I can just work it all through and put one ponytail in the back. And the reason why I don't clip this big chunk is because, at least for the longevity of the hairstyle, having more than one ponytail holder like helps keep everything slick and in place for multiple days at a time. So then I'm going to go in with some more gel and then my rat tail comb to really get that swoop that I want. This is also one of my secret steps. Adding oil to the top
of your hair. It obviously adds more moisture or whatever and keeps your hair healthy, but also it gives it that sheen, like that professional sheen that you really, really want. So next I'm going to work on my bang. Same procedure. You're going to want to break the bang into 2 sections. Work, obviously work the product through your hair. Once again, we're going to hold the hair taut and start with the gel. So when I'm using this Eco Styler gel, like I'm using a really good amount because I plan on keeping this style for an entire week. And anybody natural, like it's very hard to keep these sleek styles sleek for, 5 days or so. So just make sure you're really, really working that gel in there with that brush. You're about to see me do some funny angles. Get in there to get that swoop. And yeah, black girl magic at its finest, baby. Okay, then we're going to take that first part of the bang and tie it back with the rest of the ponytail. I'm getting higher and higher, feeling in my sleep. Next is the Lottie Body. Ooh, girl, what was that? The Lotta Body Foaming Wrapping Lotion. This also adds to the longevity of the hairstyle. It really gets the hairstyle to stay in place over all of that time. So you're just going to take a couple pumps, rub it through your hair, get it smooth, brush it down, and move to the next section. And this part, the bang, like this is what everybody sees. So you really, really want to hold this taut. You really want to get it slicked down. Super duper slick. So you work that swoop. You try to get it to your liking. But what you're going to notice, like, once I tie this back, it's not going to be perfect. So you're going to have to go back in and kind of fix it. So don't even worry about it. Just try to get a swoop to the best of your ability. But really just try to get it back in the ponytail. But don't give up. Like, try to do the swoop now. So I'm going to tie that back. And here is the secret ingredient. You go back in with the gel. And you're going to grab that rat tail comb, baby. You're going to smooth it, but little by little, you're going to push it more forward into your forehead so it comes down a little bit. Alternate with the brush and a comb and just keep swooping, keep swooping. So I end up like getting a nice bang. I'm dancing. And I realized, like, sis, you could be a little bit more dramatic with the swoop. So I'm like, let me go in and pull it even more forward. So you have to do it piece by piece because you don't want a gap in your bang. So just take your time with it. Now that I'm satisfied, oil for the sheen, baby. So we're shining. People are y'all gonna see this bun a mile away. Period. Add the lot of body in there. And you're set. You are set. Tie your scarf around your head. Let that cook for 10 minutes. And baby, we'll be back with the results.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm actually in love with this, and you guys can always add some edges to it. I like to do my edges depending on the occasion, but I just want to keep everything kind of sleek and clean right now. So you can always go in with your handy dandy toothbrush and slick them bad boys down. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your peoples. We all love a good sleek look. You can wear this out to the club, to an interview, speaking on a panel, on a date. Like, every black girl needs to know how to do a sleek bun, baby. So, you know.